Looking to spruce up your concrete or wood floor or porch? You've made an excellent choice with Denalt Porch and Floor Paint. Highly resistant, it offers a satin finish with even coverage and flexibility for an attractive, long-lasting result. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare and paint your concrete or wood floor or porch. Remember, surface preparation is key to a successful result. Start by letting concrete dry for 30 days. Then, closely following manufacturer's instructions, wash the surface with a muriatic acid solution. Next, scrub the surface with a broom and brush, then rinse thoroughly with clean water 3 times to ensure the acid is fully neutralized. Let dry completely before applying paint. Start by cleaning the surface with a concrete cleaning solution, always following manufacturer's instructions. Next, repair any holes and cracks with a suitable compound for the surface, such as a filler or patching compound designed for painting. Allow the repair product to dry properly. Start by cleaning the surface with an organic TSP degreaser to ensure the surface is clean and free of dust, dirt, grease, oil, or wax. Finally, vacuum up any dirt, dust, or debris. For newly treated wood, let dry for 6 weeks before preparing the surface to paint. Clean the surface with a patio cleaner, always following manufacturer's instructions. Let dry completely. Sand following the grain with 100 grit sandpaper. Vacuum up dust. You have followed all the steps to prepare your surface and are ready to move on. Important reminder: for best results, apply paint when the temperature is between 15 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. The surface is not exposed to direct sunlight, and no rain is forecasted within 24 hours. Now it's time to paint. Before you begin applying the paint, make sure to mix it thoroughly and have enough to cover the surface in one continuous application. Note: if you will need more than 1 can of the same color, we recommend that you mix them together to ensure uniform coverage. We recommend using a good quality polyester nylon brush or a 10 to 15 mm roller. Pros may choose to use a sprayer. We recommend using a 0.015 to 0.017 mm 1500 to 2000 psi nozzle. Apply the paint in small sections, keeping the edges wet to avoid overlaps and ensure all cracks and crevices are filled. Allow the first coat to dry for 12 hours before applying a second coat. And that's it. Remember to be patient and allow the paint ample time to dry. Denalt Porch and Floor Paint is water-resistant after 24 hours. If it rains before the paint is dried for 24 hours, the product may peel off the surface and will be significantly less effective. If it rains between 24 and 48 hours after application, the drying time will be longer. Drying time may double. Thank you for choosing Denalt for your project.